Hello, so today we've decided to come with the boys and take them to see Monster Jam Monster Trucks. So if you like what you see, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in a video. You can see all of the monster trucks that we're going to see today. So there's some new Marvel ones. We've got Spider-Man and Thor, Gravedigger and Megalodon. Yeah, so we're just waiting to go in, and I'll update you once we've got past the barrier. Alright, so we've just got through security to the other side, so we're now going to go into the stadium itself and take our seats. But just one quick one, I'll show you what we can see. So we can see there's lots of different food stalls and drink stalls on the outside. There are on the inside as well, as it is the stadium for the football. We're just about to go in there. Yeah, we'll be going in and I'll let you know when we've got our seats. Okay, we've managed to get our seats, and first of all we got the wrong seats, so we had to come up a few things. But it's very high, the seats, but that's good because the kids, in terms of the noise, these trucks are really loud. But yeah, we all got our seats, we're all sitting here, and this is the view that we've got from our seats. So I'll try and get some good footage and then show you the action. Today there should be some new monster trucks. We're going to see in a second. Whoa, look at that! Brand new Thor monster truck. Alright, next out, I think we're going to have Black Panther. We've just had Thor. There's another new one called Black Panther.
All new Black Panther Marvel Monster Jam Truck, driven by Thor.
Is it good? Alright, now we got Iron Man coming. Alright, we've had Iron Man, we've had Thor, we've had Black Panther, next, Spider-Man. They are big JCBs, so they're about the same size. so we've had the races, and now we're going to be moving on to the skills section, and then after that will be the freestyle. So yeah, I'm going to film some of the skills section and see how it goes. a backflip. Ready? Watch. Charlie, watch. Charlie. Ready? 1. So we've just got on a train from the Monster Jam. It was a really good show. We've got some really good footage. We'll put that up. I think the boys enjoyed themselves and so did Grandad. Charlie's just sitting here. You alright, boy? Did you enjoy that? Yeah? You enjoyed that? Jack, did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. Well, a little bit.
Jack says he enjoyed it a little bit. So yeah, it's good to see some new monster trucks, some Marvel themed monster trucks. I'll put that in the description and you'll be able to see everything that we saw. So again, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks very much.